Hello everyone, welcome to Golden View Renovation. I'm here with Bethany, our dear client. We're happy and proud to present you the guest bathroom that we've renovated. I wanted to say thank you to Bethany for the opportunity to give you that service and to turn this bathroom into a beautiful bathroom. Thank you very much. Enjoy the video, guys.
Our house is about 100 years old, and we really loved the old bathroom because it was truly the original, had a lot of unique tiling, but unfortunately it no longer worked. We held off as long as we could, but finally we really needed to refresh and remodel the bathroom. Being able to leverage all of the square footage of the house has been really nice. For my kids, they now have their own sinks. I have quite a bit of storage now. It's clean, it's fresh, and much more useful, so we're all very happy. Elia was our project manager. Definitely has a lot of pride for the product that Golden View Renovation puts out there, making sure that his team feels really supported, outlined all of the details, quick to respond, calling or WhatsApp. Elia definitely puts a lot of care into the outcome of his project. Once they started the work, they worked very diligently and finished in a very timely manner. Alexandra was my designer. She was great to work with. She has a lot of design knowledge and good ideas. The 3D rendering was amazing. It was a really helpful guide throughout the project to kind of keep everybody in line, and then to see it completely match at the end was really nice. So we're all very happy. The outcome of the product is really quality. The open communication, project management was really strong. I definitely would recommend Golden View Renovation to other friends who are considering remodel projects.